My name is Wayne Miller. I've been Vice President of Maintenance and Engineering at Cayman Airways for the past 11 years. My background in aircraft maintenance has begun in 1979, thereabouts, and I've been in aircraft maintenance ever since. Since the global grounding of the 737-8 fleet, MCAS has undergone significant redesign by Boeing with a much higher degree of redundancy now built in to improve safety. In addition to the MCAS redesign, the 737-8 aircraft has also had several other related and unrelated improvements mandated by the regulatory authorities prior to their approval of its global ungrounding. The MCAS redesign and other aircraft system improvements have all been mandated after a comprehensive aircraft recertification process conducted independently by the four primary regulatory agencies, namely the FAA, EASA, Transport Canada, and ANAC of Brazil. With the MCAS redesign, an extraordinary independent recertification process conducted by all the four major regulatory authorities, I am now very confident that the 737-8 aircraft is safe to fly.